Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you a nice simple recipe. Use about 6 ingredients, takes 20 minutes, smells fantastic and tastes fantastic. A little bit of spiciness, a little bit of sweetness. It's Hoisin Tofu Stirfry. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, we're going to start this off. I have sesame oil in the pan. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever floats your boat. And you get yourself some tofu. Cut it up in nice little cubes. If you don't like tofu, you can always use chicken, or you can just not use any kind of protein like this, and you can just skip to the next step whenever we get there. We're gonna start cooking up these tofu just to get them seared a little bit. It'll cook more later. You just want to cook them up enough that it locks in some of the flavor, makes it a little bit more crispy instead of just being all spongy. So I'm gonna start cooking mine up here. I guess I didn't have my oil hot enough, but I'm gonna start cooking mine up here, and I'll get back to you guys when the next step is ready. Mine's smoking up a little bit because I couldn't get all the tofu out of the bottom, but I've moved the tofu over to a plate off to the side since it's already seared up. Now we're gonna start adding in the vegetables. You can put whatever vegetables you want. I just recommend at least like having some carrots, some sugar snap peas, and some broccoli because traditional stir fry stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and add some carrots now. My lovely assistant will. A little bit more. All right. Go ahead and put a handful of those in. Just gonna put some sugar snap peas in now. A little bit more, because we love our sugar snap peas around here.
And I have tiny hands.
Okay. Now some broccoli. I have to break this up a smaller piece. I didn't realize it was so big. I bought pre-packaged broccoli instead of cutting my own this time. Normally I'd cut my own broccoli up. Okay, that should be good. And just don't put the whole thing there, put a bunch of those in there. Oh, or you put the whole thing in there, that works. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and mix it all up. Gonna keep cooking this. Ooh, that's loud. Gonna keep cooking this for probably about 5 to 10 minutes, get the vegetables nice and cooked up before going on to the next step. I will start back up with you guys once my next step is ready. You see my stuff smoking up a little bit. Turning my fan off just so you guys don't have to hear the fan the whole time. But it's been cooking for probably about 6-7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next step, which is adding garlic and ginger. I'm going to use pre-minced stuff. That's just easier that way for me. I like my garlic, so I can put a lot of garlic in here. And I got some pre-minced ginger. I'll just put a little bit in there just to get a little gingery flavor to it. Now mix it up. I'll let it cook. Oh yeah, for like 30 seconds here, just to get the flavors going through and get that nice smell coming out. I'll just leave you guys on here because it'll only take a few seconds before my lovely assistant's going to help me out again. All right, now it's cooked up there enough. I'm going to go ahead and mix it up in there. And then my lovely assistant here is going to add some baby corn. So we're adding a bunch of stuff that me and my kids like. You can stick with just some simple stuff, just like the broccoli, the sugar snap peas, and some carrots. And the last thing we're gonna add here is the Hoisin sauce. A little bit, just gonna go ahead and scoop that in. It's kind of thick. There you go, right on, okay, nice. Make sure you try to get it all out of there. It's nice and thick on there. Now, Hoisin sauce is kind of spicy and kind of sweet, so you don't want to add too much if you're not a big fan of spiciness. So I'm not adding a lot because some people in the household do not like spiciness. I might add a little bit more if I taste this and doesn't feel like it's enough. Well, that should be enough. There you go, some nice, yummy Hoisin Tofu Stirfry. See, I told you, nice and simple. Takes no time at all, only a few ingredients. Everyone will love it. If you want a little bit more spiciness, go ahead and add some more sauce in there, or some other kind of different ingredients that you want, different peppers or something, or some peppers or something, different vegetables, whatever. Mix it up. That's the fun part about it. If you like this, please put a comment down below. Let me know what you liked about it or what you didn't like about it. While you're down there, go ahead and throw some ideas out there for other stuff you'd like to see me try, or if there's some kind of ingredient you have at home or you've seen and you always want to make something with it, but you don't know what to make with it, and I'll try to help you out. Well, while you're down there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the little bell doohickey, and the thumbs up to help me out. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you later.